Hello beauties, this is Favornmartha and today I'm back with a 5-minute makeup tutorial. Hope you like it. And I did my brows off camera, and in case you like a video about eyebrows, I'm going to drop the link. And then I went on and set my eyelid using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Then with the eyeshadow I went on with that shimmery shade. And then I went on with eyeliner in order to make something like a wing. And then I went on and used the Kaylee mascara to remove any eyeshadow particles in my eyelashes. Now I exited the face and I went on with my wipes to clean the face. And then I went on and moisturized my face using my body cream. And then went on with foundation in shade 3, that is from the BB Plus. And then to blend the foundation I used the beauty blender. And then with my concealer I highlighted the T-zone area using my beauty blender still. And still I applied the Sacha Buttercup setting powder using the beauty blender. Highlighted off camera, and now it's time for the brush. With the lips I first line them with lip pencil. And then I went on and applied the nude shade lipstick. As I am twinning in order to blend the lipstick very well. And then to make the lips look glossy, I added some lip gloss. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.